Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a KPI visual in Power BI. KPI visuals are essential for tracking your business performance at a glance, allowing you to monitor key metrics against your targets in real time. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Power BI application and make sure you have your dataset loaded and ready to work with. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Visualizations pane. Here you'll see various chart and graph icons available for your reports. Look for the KPI icon and click on it. This will insert a blank KPI visual onto your canvas. After clicking the KPI icon, you'll notice that a new section appears showing fields you need to populate. Specifically, you'll see three main fields: value, trend axis, and target. These three components work together to create your complete KPI visual. The value represents your actual metric, the trend axis shows how it changes over time, and the target is your goal. Now shift your focus to the right side of the screen where you'll find the data pane. This section displays all the available fields from your dataset that you can use in your visualizations. From this data pane, locate the profit field. Once you've found it, drag it directly onto the value field in your KPI visual. This sets profit as the main metric you're tracking. Next, you'll need to establish the time dimension for your KPI. From the same data pane, find the date field and drag it onto the trend axis field. This allows Power BI to show how your profit trends over time, giving you valuable insight into performance patterns and movements. Now comes the crucial part, setting your target. Look at the profit field you just added, and you'll notice three dots appearing beside it. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select New Measure. This opens up the formula bar where you can define your target value. At the top of the screen, you'll see the default text that says Measure. You need to rename this to something meaningful. Change it to Target Equals, and then input your desired target value. For example, if you want to track against a 5 million target, you would type Target equals 5 million. Press Enter to confirm this measure. Once you've created this measure, look back at the data pane on the right side. You'll now see your newly created target measure listed among your other fields. Simply drag this target measure onto the target field in your KPI visual. And that's it. Your KPI visual is now complete and ready to display. You can now see your actual profit performance compared against your target with a clear trend line showing how you're progressing over time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.